Oliver, we're going to talk chocolates today, not the sweet ones, the nice ones that you buy at Christmas, but the actual business of making chocolate. Now, there's this Swiss company, Barry Callebaut, that has just made a big acquisition that has the potential to sort of redefine this sector of industrial cocoa and chocolate. What exactly is going on?
So Barry Callebaut is paying about $1 billion to buy a cocoa processing business owned by Petra Foods of Singapore. The deal will increase its share of the cocoa processing market. It could have quite a dominant market share there. So the question is whether there'll be any competition concerns. But for Barry Callebaut itself, it makes very much strategic sense. The company wants to increase its sales volumes by about 6 to 8% per year. But chocolate is a fairly flat market. It's growing only about 1% a year. So it needs some emerging market exposure, which is what this Petra Foods business will give it.
Now, they're paying a lot of money. I mean, it's almost $1 billion we're talking about here.
It is. They're paying a lot of money. Now, it's not such a huge premium to the business's net assets, and it will also get some cost savings. So on that basis, the deal looks like it makes sense. But it's a big premium to, it's a big earnings multiple, which is perhaps why the shares are off a little bit today. There's perhaps some concern about the price. The business is being bought for about 20 times annualized EBITDA for this year. Now that's partly because EBITDA is depressed. The company it's buying is not having the best of years, and its sales and earnings are falling. But nevertheless, on that basis, it looks like quite a hefty multiple.
Right. Now, Barry Callebaut is one of those companies that supplies cocoa and other ingredients to companies that make chocolate and to companies that do lots of make that kind of consumer product. This transaction looks like it has some industry shaping potential here. I just wonder how the rest of the industry is going to react.
Well, the other big companies in the market, the likes of Cargill and ADM, they may object to this because of the size of the share that Barry Callebaut would have.
I presume that the reason why Barry Callebaut is actually paying so much is that there was an element of an auction process involved here.
Yes, they say there was an auction. They say there was other interest. It's difficult to know exactly who the other interests came from, but that might explain why they were willing to pay quite so much to get this extra growth.
Okay, this is a very interesting transaction in a very sort of obscure part of the business world, but Barry Callebaut's purchase of Petra looks like it's going to have some fairly wide ramifications ultimately. Thanks, Oliver.